Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will complete our login and logout method. We will complete our post logout method in this lecture. We will change this get logout method to post getout method. So let's make some changes. Go to welcome.blade.php and here we have few conditions in which we have auth check, and we will not use auth check method as we have sentinel. We are using sentinel, so we will change this auth to sentinel. If sentinel check, it means that if the user is login, then here we can use dashboard, but at this time we don't have any dashboard, so we will print this name of our user. This method will get all the fields of user table, so we will show the name of our user, and this link will be for logout. If the user is login, then we will show the username and an option of logout. If the user is not login, then we will show login and register pages. Now remove these route has login lines. We don't need these lines. Let's check this. Now we have login and register link, and these links are working. Let's log in our user, and after logging you can see that we have username and logout option. So now let's code our logout method. Because we will send a post request, so the URL is /logout. And the form method is post, and we will assign an ID to this form, and let's name it logout form. As we have added a post method, so we will need a CSRF field here. And let's add a small JavaScript code. On click of this logout link, document.getElementById, and we will get this ID logout form. And then we will simply submit this form, and that's it. Now let's change this in route method from get to post. Now let's click on this logout. Now we have here in login page, and if we go back to our home, we have login and register. And once we log in our user, we will see this username and logout method. I hope this lecture will be very useful for you. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.